Hello, this is Sanjay. Can you recognize this letter? Yes, I think so. But the way you pronounce, I'm sorry, that is not right. You say A, but there is no such pronunciation like A. This is A. And most interesting part, A has many ways to pronounce. Say for example, short vowel, A. For example, cat, bat, long vowel, cake, bake. Also, like ball, call. It's the schwa sound, like about. It's a very deep vowel like that. That is father, father. And most interestingly, when A is used as an article in a sentence, don't call there is a boy. They speak in this way, there is a boy, a boy. It's called schwa sound. So remember, this is not A, this is A, and many a times A is pronounced like schwa sounds, like about, and when it is used as an article in a sentence, that is also called schwa sounds. And apart from that, I mentioned so many ways A can be pronounced. So practice your A and make your English more flawless. Thank you.